My kids have had many, many coughing fits this week, and I felt totally helpless, but then I made this. This recipe blend uses 4 herbs that work together to calm coughs and help your little one breathe easier. But instead of just making a simple herbal tea like I normally do, we're gonna make this into an herbal cough syrup. All you do is make a very strong herbal tea with this blend, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then strain. Then add a good amount of raw unfiltered honey and mix that on in. I gave my kids 1/8 cup every 2 to 3 hours, and it really calmed their cough and helped them breathe a lot easier. Let me know if you make it and how it helps your kids.